What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're working here on the headlight on this 2014 Acura RLX. We've got a busted headlight here that needs to be swapped out. So we picked up a used one and we're gonna get them swapped out. So with this, I'm hoping all it is gonna be is a bunch of clips around, a bunch of clips on the bottom. We've got some screws on the side for the bumper, but we're gonna take you along for the ride. Let's go. All right, so starting on the side here, when you pull this back a little bit under here, this little guy right here, we're gonna pull this back up under here. There's gonna be a little screw there, so we're gonna get that taken out. Then when we come up to the top, we're gonna be pulling out these little clips here all across the top, take this section out. Then when we go up underneath to the bottom, we see we've got a clip there. We've got some clips all through underneath. So we're gonna go ahead, get all those clips removed and get this bumper taken off. All right, now we're gonna get the clips underneath. All right, so now with everything disconnected, we are just going to gently pull to release the bumper from the vehicle here. Then when you get to this section here, you're going to have to like lift this up to release that. There's one on each side. So once we have that up, feels pretty good here. Yep, that should be it to get this thing out of here. And then down below, we're going to have two plugs for the lights here that we're gonna have to disconnect. So go ahead and get those undone. Yeah, there's a little tab you gotta push down on, and you should be able to release that harness. Get that taken out. And since I wasn't able to get that one out, I just took the bulb out. So I will show you the connection there. So we're gonna go ahead, get this bumper out of the way. So this is the connector that goes into the bulb. So all you have to do is push down on this guy here, and you should be able to disconnect it. All right, so from looking at it, we've got a bolt here. We've got a retaining clip on this side over here. We've got another bolt here. In this section here, if you just kind of twist this up here, kind of get it out the way, you got to pull it. Let's see here. How does this thing come out? Oh, these are clips that go, okay, so you got to pull this thing up. So we're just going to go ahead, pull this up like so. Fantastic, and it's so old that it broke. Great. All right, well, so you pull this up, you'll expose another bolt here. So it looks like that's all we have to get rid of there, and these are all 10 millimeters, so we're gonna go ahead and get these taken off. Now, if you've ever seen any of those plastic welding products, this would be a great use case right here to see how a welding product would put this thing back in place. And the last screw is right in here, so that's another 10, and we should be able to pull it right out. All right, so there's a little tab on the side here. I'm just gonna pull on that like so, and that's gonna loosen that. Just like that. So bring it here for a close-up. We're gonna have to pull this up as well, so you can see that sits right there in that little hole. Okay, so with everything out, you've got your tab on the side. Release that. You've got this on top, release that. And you've got this one here. So you've got one, two, a little bit of mechanism to hold it in place. Once you get those, you can slide it right out. Oh yeah, that's all the water that was in this thing right there. Yeah, all that water coming out. Okay, so on the back side, So I totally forgot to hit record on this section here, but on the back side of the headlight, you're going to go ahead and unclip all those harnesses so you can remove the headlight. All right, so here is the replacement. As you can see, we are ready to plug this thing in. All right, so let's get the new one installed. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, get our bolts back in place, our retainers, and we should be good to go. All right, so with everything hooked back up from a electrical perspective, we can go ahead, turn on the headlights, make sure everything is good before we button everything back up. All right, so this is still saying we have a headlight problem. Gonna go ahead and get this thing started up here and see what we're gonna get off of this here. We're gonna turn on our lights. See if we have lights in the front. All right, so we're shining here, we're looking good. And we do not have any lights on here, so we need to figure out what's going on there. All right, so we went ahead into the fuse box there, and we went and we checked for the low side, which is a 15, and if you look closely, this fuse is blown. So once we get this swapped out, that should solve our problem, and we'll be done with this job. After you get your fuses done, all of that, if that was blown, put your bumper back on, button everything up, and you're good to go. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.